so many problem in your practical book. I'm just randomly taking any question. See, first let us quickly write what is Cauchy integral formula. That is f of z upon z minus z naught, where this is contour and z naught belong to your contour. That was the condition. And dz, then this will be equal to what? 2 pi I f of z naught. Correct? Now this is my Cauchy integral formula. Correct? Now let us do some problem. Say find the integral, say e raised to z upon z into z minus 1. Suppose I'm having this, where say mod z equal to 2 I'm having. Correct? ये e बोल देते हैं and b बोलो where c is. mod z equal to mod z less than equal to 1 बोलता हूँ मैं, less than equal to 1. and yeah, that's it. एक ये क्वेश्चन पहले सॉल्व करते हैं. Let us see. Okay, look at the first one. That is mod z equal to 2. First of all, look at your function. What are the singularity? Think about that. What is the singularity for this function? Z equal to 0 and z equal to 1 are the singularity, correct? In the denominator. That means singularity मतलब क्या होता है? The problem for my function at which the function is not analytic. So z equal to 0 and z equal to 1 are the singularity for me. And what is the contour in A? A is mod z equal to 2. Mod z equal to 2 means what? I am having a circle with radius 2. If I am having radius 2, so both the singularity lie inside this 0 and 1, correct? Both the singularity lie inside this. But by using Cauchy integral formula, what is the idea? What is the trick? I can handle one singularity at a time. So again, what will you do? It is better to use partial fraction. And if you remember one thing, just forget about e raised to z. If you remember one thing, that is 1 upon z minus 1 into z. This can be written as 1 upon z minus 1 minus 1 upon z. I hope I'm not wrong. This can be written. If you are having consecutive numbers, no, they can be written like this. That is, if I give you 1 into 2, then you can write it as, or 2 into 3, then you can have 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. You can write this as 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2. Same 1 upon 3 into 4, then you can write it as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Can you do that? Just quickly check. Yes, the smaller number first, then the same thing I'm doing here. This was z and this was z minus 1, so I'm writing it as 1 upon z minus 1 minus 1. That is obvious. That's nice. Now we are done. So if you put e raised to z inside, then I'll be having what? The integral will be e raised to z upon z into z minus 1 tha. So it will be what? E raised to z upon z minus 1 dz minus and e raised to z upon z. Correct? यही है ना? Yes, perfect. Over C. Now look at what was my C. C was mod z equal to 2. So mod z equal to 2 के लिए इसमें क्या आएगा आंसर? It will be 2 pi I f of z naught. So f of z naught क्या आएगा? Z naught is 1. So it will be into e raised to 1. Correct? Minus यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Same thing. 2 pi I into f of z0. So z0 क्या आएगा? It will be e raised to 0. Yes. So this is also e raised to 0 is 1. So here you are having 2 pi I. You can take 2 pi I common. 2 pi I common here. So I'll be having e minus 1. This is your final answer. Perfect. You're done. Correct. Now what is the second one? B. B. What is mod z? Mod z equal to mod z is less than equal to 1. No? So again the same thing. Less than equal to 1 means what? It is a circle with this is actually interior also taken, so I don't have any issue here. So what are my singularities? Look at that. Singularities again, z is equal to 0 and z equal to minus 1. So it will be same thing. Z equal to 0 or z equal to minus 1 hai. Both are lying inside. Correct? 0 or 1 both are lying inside. So the answer will be same. E raised to z upon z into z minus 1. That will be, again you will be writing like this, and again 2 pi I common, it will be e minus 1, correct? If it was, let me include one more guy. See mod z equal to, see, I by 2. No, that should not be I by 2, that should say 1 by 2. Suppose the c I am taking mod z equal to 1 by 2. So in that case, in the third case, if I take mod z equal to 1 by 2, that means what? It is a circle with radius half. So what are the singularities? Singularity is 0 or 1 is a singularity. So 0 is inside but 1 is not. So can I write my function? Look at the function, e raised to z upon z into z minus 1 था ना? So the problem here is only 0. Z minus 1 is not a problem. So मैं क्या करूँ? I can do one thing. I can just या तो previous वाला partial fraction use करो, or you can do one thing also, that is e raised to z upon z minus 1 and divide by z. You see, जो problem नहीं था मैंने उसको ऊपर भेज दिया भाई, तुम जाओ, you be the function because you will be analytic still. And what is my contour? Mod z equal to half. So now see, z equal to 0 is a singularity. Let us see आंसर क्या आएगा इसका, 2 pi I f of 0. So f of 0 क्या आएगा? It will be e raised to 0 upon 0 minus 1. So answer will be e raised to 0 is 1. It will be minus 2 pi I. Correct? And if you quickly verify by using partial fraction भी तुमको यही आता. When you take mod z equal to half, so if you are having two things, mod z equal to half में इसमें तो ये 0 हो जाएगा. This is the interior point. इसका आंसर क्या आया था? Minus 2 pi I. The same thing. It is so nice. Correct? Let me ask one more problem to you. See, it is z cube. Z cube upon, say, z square plus 1. Suppose this is my function, and say c is, where c is say first mod c mod z equal to, say, 1 by 2. The second one, say, mod z equal to 3 by 2. The third one, say, mod z equal to uh, 5 by 2, suppose. Yeah. And fourth one, say, mod z equal to yeah, let us say mod z equal to just 1 by 4. ठीक है? Now let us see. Look at your function. What is my function? That is z cube upon z square plus 1. What do you see? What is the singularity for me here? Singularity कैसे निकालेंगे? डिनोमिनेटर को 0 पट करके. दैट मीन्स z स्क्वायर प्लस 1 को 0 पट किया. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? ये 0 कब आएगा? z स्क्वायर प्लस 1, दैट इज z स्क्वायर माइनस 1 आना चाहिए. और यू मे डायरेक्टली राइट, that is, if you remember one thing, e square plus b square, that is same as e plus bi e minus bi. Correct? So I'll be having here e equal to z equal to plus minus I. That means z square plus 1, that can be written as z plus I z minus I. So I'm having two singularities, z equal to I and z equal to minus I. I'm having two singularity, correct? So what will you do? Look at the first contour. mod z equal to हाफ अगर लिया मैंने, और I और माइनस I, मतलब ये लोग कहाँ पे हैं? They are here. Half, if your radius is half, so they are here. I और माइनस I यहाँ पे है. So that is not a problem for my contour, correct? That is obviously fine. So integral का value by Cauchy-Grosset theorem, the integral will be 0. In the first case it will be 0. It will be 0. What about the second one? mod z equal to, अगर मैंने 3 by 2 लिया, तो सी 3 by 2 मतलब 1 से बड़ा हो गया, तो it will be something ऊपर जाएगा ना ये. So it will be something like this. सो उसमें दोनों इंक्लूड होंगे। सो आई हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट कि कैसे मैं कर सकता हूँ, एंड थिंक अबाउट इट द सेम थिंग, मतलब क्या करना रहेगा, यू जस्ट हैव टू डू पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन। सो विल थिंक अबाउट इट एंड सेम थिंग मॉड जेड इक्वल टू, अगर 5/2 लिया, 5/2 लिया, still my singularity are lying inside the contour, again the some same partial fraction and answer will be same, ये रेडियस से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता। 7/2 भी किया तभी भी दोनों सिंगुलैरिटी कंटूर में आ रहा है, तो आंसर विल बी सेम, दैट इज नॉट एन इशू। व्हाट अबाउट दिस मॉड जेड इक्वल टू 1/4 लिया तो डू यू सी अगेन दे आर नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी, 1/4 मतलब यहाँ पे कुछ आ जाएगा, सो दे आर नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी, तो यहाँ पे भी आंसर क्या आएगा, जीरो ही आएगा। तो यहाँ पे जीरो, यहाँ पे जीरो, एंड यहाँ दोनों पे लेटस सी क्या आएगा, मॉड जेड इक्वल टू 3/2। सो व्हाट विल यू डू, यू हैव टू डू पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन, करेक्ट, एंड दैट इज इजी, यू कैन डू दैट। और इन दिस केस ऊपर मैंने एक्चुअली you must think one thing, that is ऊपर मैंने z क्यूब दे दिया है, करेक्ट, and नीचे z स्क्वायर प्लस वन, whenever see the degree of numerator is higher than denominator, you just directly divide, you don't think too much, पहले फंक्शन को सिंप्लीफाई करो, then think about integral, then that will be quite easy for you, so you just directly divide, that is uh, z cube, this is z square plus 1, so if you multiply by z, so this will be what, z cube plus z, so this is gone, this is minus z, correct. So do you see, we have got, what is my z3 equal to z square plus 1 multiply by z minus z, correct, this into this and plus the remainder, so z cube can be written as this. So let us see what is my integral now. The integral will be z cube upon the same thing, that is z square plus 1 into z minus z. It depends on how much fast you can do your partial fraction. Oh, I think हमें इसको ऊपर लिखनी चाहिए। This will be equal to z cube की जगह पे क्या आएगा, z square plus 1 into z minus z and divide by z square plus 1, करेक्ट। डू यू सी, सॉल्व किया, फर्स्ट में क्या आएगा, z आ जाएगा, सेकंड में क्या आएगा, z अपॉन z स्क्वायर प्लस 1 आ जाएगा। इसमें बोलो, इसमें कोई सिंगुलैरिटी है, देयर इज नो सिंगुलैरिटी, फंक्शन इज एनालिटिक, सो आंसर इसका तो जीरो आ गया। यू जस्ट हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दिस गाय। सो z अपॉन z स्क्वायर प्लस 1 है तो क्या करोगे, यू अगेन डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन, यू हैव द ऑप्शन इज पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन। सो लेट अस थिंक अबाउट इट, इसको मैं आई बोल देता हूँ। सो दैट इज z अपॉन z स्क्वायर प्लस 1 को क्या लिखना है, z अपॉन z माइनस आई प्लस z अपॉन z प्लस आई, oh sorry, e upon, it should not be z, that I am just trying to find by using partial fraction e and b, and let us see, this will be z into e into z plus I plus b into z minus I, this is done. So put, what will you put, z equal to I put करते तो ये क्या आएगा, यहाँ पे I आ जाएगा, and this is 2ia, so a equal to 1/2, correct, this is I am having. What about next, put z equal to minus I, then यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, minus I, that is equal to, this is gone, this is minus 2i, minus 2ib, correct, again I cancel, so b equal to v 1/2 ही आ रहा है, correct, yeah, okay, so let us put it in the function and we'll get that, that is answer will be uh, 1/2 upon z minus I over contour plus 1/2 upon z plus I over contour, correct. Now you see what is the answer here, singularity is I, function तो ये क्या आएगा 2πi, function is 1/2, z तो है ही नहीं इसमें, इधर भी क्या आएगा 2πi माइनस आई भी है ऊपर कहीं पे, फंक्शन z है ही नहीं, it is again 1/2, so answer will be pi, answer will be 2πi. Nice. You see how simple it is once you are having this, once you are having इधर अगर तीन लोग भी हो, again you can do the partial fraction only. I'll just maybe I'll do one question of that also. That is, say solve this integral say e raised to z upon z, z minus 1, z minus 2 dz. Suppose I am having this. So you see here there are three singularities 0, 1, 2. So let me define the contour where C is. First one say mod z equal to 1 by 2. Second one say mod z equal to 2 by 2 say 1. And third one is mod z equal to say mm, 2. Yeah, or 3 by 2 is also okay. Just let us make a pattern. That is, this is 1 by 2, this is 2 by 2, this is 3 by 2. Let's try to see the first one. Mod z equal to 1 by 2. First of all, what are the singularities? Let us write singularity. Singularities are 0, 1, 2, correct? 0, 1 and 2 are the singularity. And mod z equal to 1 by 2 draw करो. Mod z equal to 1 by 2 अगर मैंने ड्रॉ किया तो only 0 is inside my contour, 1 and 2 बाहर है. 1 and 2 is here, 0 is here, correct? So can I write the same function like this? That is e raised to z. मुझे क्या चाहिए? नीचे 0 चाहिए. That is z minus 0 नीचे ले लिया. बाकी सबको मैंने ऊपर भेज दिया. That is z minus 1, z minus 2. They are not problem for me. Correct? This is for the first one. Okay. So what will be this? What is the answer by Cauchy integral formula? This will be 2 pi I multiply by ये जो function है उसमें z equal to 0 put करना है. So it will be what? E raised to 0 upon 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 2. So that is minus 1 minus 2 to cancel. So I'll be just having pi I. Pi I is the final answer. Correct for the first one. Look at the contour and try to see. Let us see the second question. What is the second question? You are having mod z equal to 1. So mod z equal to 1 अगर मैंने ड्रॉ किया तो कैसा आएगा? ऐसा कुछ. बट सिंगुलरिटी क्या है? 0, 1 and 2. 2. So two of the singularity are lying inside my contour. तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? I don't have any option कि मुझे partial fraction तो करना ही पड़ेगा because two of the singularity z और z minus 1 are lying inside my contour, z minus 2 is not. So let us do the partial fraction. That will be helpful in the third one also because in the third one it is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 uh, 3 by 2 में भी same आएगा ना. But better to keep this as 2. If you keep this as 2, so तीनों आ जाएंगे. So all the three similarities. So better to use the partial fraction. So I'll do that partial fraction. That is 1 upon z into z minus 1 into z minus 2. That is equal to a upon z plus b upon z minus 1 plus c upon z minus 2. So what is that? This is 1 equal to a into what? Z minus 1 into z minus 2 plus b into, it will be z into z minus 2. Okay, what will be this? Z into z minus 1 is cancelled, it will be z minus 2. And in the third one, it will be c into z minus 1. Correct? This is what we are having. So let us quickly put z equal to 0. So कौन जाएगा? ये गया. I'll be having 2. So e will be 1 by 2. E मिल गया. Put z equal to now 1. 1 पुट किया तो ये गया. I will be having b का वैल्यू क्या मिलेगा? This will be 1 equal to b into 1 minus 1 minus 2. Correct? So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So b is minus 1. So b का वैल्यू मिल गया. For c, put z equal to what? 2 बचा ना. z equal to 2 पुट किया तो ये दोनों गए. I'll be having this as 2, 2. So c will be 1 by 2. So e, b, c तीनों मिल गए. So what will be my function now? My function was e raised to z upon z into z minus 1 into z minus 2 ना. सी पर्पसली मैंने ई रेस टू जेड को सिस्टम में नहीं लिया बिकॉज पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन मेरा इजी हो गया, नहीं तो फिर से उसको बाद में लेके इट वाज क्वाइट बार बार लिखना, इट इज़ नॉट अ गुड थिंग. सो इट विल बी फर्स्ट ए क्या मिला है तुमको, ए इज़ 1/2, सो इट विल बी 1/2 ई रेस टू जेड एज इट इज़ डिवाइड बाई जेड डी जेड, ये फर्स्ट हो गया. प्लस व्हाट अबाउट बी, बी इज़ -1, so same thing, it will be -1 into e raised to z upon z minus 1 dz over that contour and same, plus what is the third one, that is what is c, c is 1/2, so it is 1/2 e raised to z upon z minus 2 dz. करेक्ट, दिस इज थ्री थिंग्स वी आर हैविंग. अपना कंटूर क्या था सेकेंड क्वेश्चन के लिए, मॉड जेड इक्वल टू 1 ना. सो मॉड जेड इक्वल टू 1 में इसका आंसर तुम्हें 0 मिलेगा, इसका और इसका सिर्फ मिलेगा. करेक्ट. सो व्हेन आई एम हैविंग मॉड जेड इक्वल टू 1, so 0 and 1 are the only people which are lying in my contour. 2 is outside, so 0 के लिए क्या आएगा आंसर, it will be 2 pi I f of 0. so ये क्या आएगा 1/2 e raised to 0, प्लस यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 2 pi I, z naught is 1 here, so it will be -1 into e raised to 1. Correct, and the third one will be 0 because z equal to 2 is not lying in the contour. So what is answer, this is pi I, and here it is minus 2 pi I e. So in the, this is my final answer, correct, of the second one. What is the third one, mod z equal to 2. So if I'm having, let me do it here, mod z equal to 2, let us do the same thing, contour e raised to z upon z, z minus 1, z minus 2. So what will I do, I'll be just separating it here. Same thing, क्या आया था 1/2 e raised to z, 1/2 e raised to z upon z dz, plus the next guy is -1 e raised to z upon -1 e raised to z upon z minus 1 dz over that contour, plus the third one is 1/2 e raised to z, 1/2 e raised to z upon z minus 2 dz, correct, over that c, over that contour c. Now once you are having mod z equal to 2, so तीनों singularities 0, 1 and 2, everybody is lying in that contour, so सब पे आएगा. So इधर क्या आएगा, it will be 2 pi I f of 0, that is 1/2 e raised to 0, first हो गया. Second one is 2 pi I f of 1, so it will be -1 e raised to 1. What is third one, it will be 2 pi I 1/2 e raised to 2. So what is the final answer, यहाँ पे 2 cancel, I'll be having just pi I. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, it will be -2 pi I e, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 2 cancel, plus pi I e square. This is the final answer, correct. You see how simple this Cauchy integral formula is. This is very easy, correct. So in the next lecture we'll first prove the Cauchy integral formula, and then later we'll see what is extended Cauchy integral formula. There is one more Cauchy integral. Extended Cauchy integral means what? See, maybe I should show you. Suppose I am having this function, say z e raised to z bolo upon say z minus 1 the whole square, correct. So can I solve this integral where contour, where say mod z equal to say 2, so z equal to 1 is a problem and वो lie भी करता है, but in Cauchy integral formula we are having in the denominator we are having only one power, that is z minus 1 होता तो we can handle that, correct. We cannot handle this z minus 1 the whole square or whole cube or whole raised to 4, so we need one more formula to handle these type of question, जिसमें स्क्वायर रहा तो कैसे डील करने का, क्यूब रहा तो, मतलब जो द कंडीशंस आर सेम जो उसमें था, द थिंग इज हियर, यहाँ पे स्क्वायर क्यूब और ये सब आएगा, करेक्ट. दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सटेंशन of the Cauchy integral. I'll just quickly write the formula, then we will stop. Okay, extended Cauchy integral formula. The conditions are same जो उधर था अभी, मतलब फिर से लिखो तो चलो. I'll be writing. Let f be analytic everywhere, everywhere inside and on a simply closed contour C taken in the positive sense. If z naught is any point interior to C, then what is the extended Cauchy integral formula? That is this. That is if you are having integral, say integral f of z dz upon, if you are having this z minus z naught raised to n plus 1, okay, over that contour, then this will be equal to 2 pi I upon n factorial f nth derivative, or I'll write like this, 2 pi I into f nth derivative at z naught divided by n factorial, correct, where your n is 0 1 2 कुछ भी रखो, 0 रखा तो you'll get your Cauchy integral formula. See, just quickly check, 0 रखा मतलब फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव नहीं करना, you just have to put the values, and this will be, yeah, see, this will be your original Cauchy integral formula if you put z equal to 0 1 2 और ये सब रखा तो this will be my function, this will be my theorem, that is 2 pi I, it will be f nth derivative at z naught upon n factorial. So let me just quickly talk about this question. Just मैंने एग्जांपल लिखा है तो वो सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. What is the question? Z into e raised to z upon it is z minus 1 the whole square ना, yeah, z minus 1 the whole square dz over contour, and what is c, mod z equal to 2, correct. So z equal to 1 is the interior in a singularity, and that is of order 2. इसको actually pole बोलते हैं, तो मतलब, so by using uh, extended Cauchy integral formula, I'll just quickly write the formula, that is f of z upon z minus z naught raised to n plus 1 dz, that is equal to what, 2 pi I f nth derivative at z naught upon n factorial, correct. So here power 2 है, मतलब फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव लेना है अपने को, इसका फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव ले लो पहले. So what is my f of z here, that is z into e raised to z. So what is f dash of z, that is equal to UV rule, that is z e raised to z will be as it is plus e raised to z, correct. And हम लोग को कौन से पॉइंट पे z नॉट क्या है, 1 है, so I need f dash of 1, so this will be e plus e, that is 2e. So ये हो गया. Now let us, by using extended Cauchy integral, let us put the value z e raised to z upon z minus 1 the whole square dz. I'll be having what? This will be 2 pi I f first derivative at 1 upon 1 factorial. So what is the first derivative हम लोगों ने just निकाला, that is 2e, and 1 factorial is 1, so it will be 4 pi I e, correct. So we have got one more technique to solve your function, that is awesome. Yes, now if you are having any power, so you can deal with that. Let us see, suppose integral e raised to 2z बोलता हूँ and upon z raised to 4 बोलता हूँ, correct, over the contour, then say mod z equal to 1 बोला. So what will you do? Let us see, z equal to 0 is a singularity that is lying in the contour, and what is the next thing, z power 4 है, तो by using फॉर्मूला आंसर क्या आएगा ये 2 pi f थर्ड डेरिवेटिव एट 0/3 फैक्टोरियल करेक्ट. सो f थर्ड डेरिवेटिव निकालो. व्हाट इज माय फंक्शन f of z equal to e raised to 2z. So what is the first derivative? It will be 2 e raised to 2z. What is f second derivative? It will be 4 e raised to 2z. What is f third derivative? It will be 8 e raised to 2z. And what is f third derivative of 0? That will be 8. Correct. So let us put in the formula, that is integral e raised to 2z upon z raised to 4 dz over contour. It will be what 2 pi I multiplied by 8 upon 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6. So 2 3s are 6. What is the answer? 8 pi I upon 3. This is your final answer. Perfect. This is so much easy. Right? So in the next lecture we'll see the proof and we'll see some consequences of this Cauchy integral formula. Yeah, and please do the problems of the practical. You will see there are so many problems. There are so much of easy. I have covered all the different type of questions. Maybe if you want to do, you can do so much of. ये मतलब कभी एंड नहीं होएगा अगर मैं ऐसे करते जाऊँ. These are quite simple. Okay. Thank you so much everyone.